Hi everybody! Holiday, it's almost here, and today I'm gonna show you this beautiful collection from NARS. It is holiday collection, price amazing. I use just this face palette on my face, on my eyes, and it looks so good. And I love these lip glosses. Can you imagine 3 lip glosses plus bag, and they all full size, $45. It's unbelievable. And it's so good. And this is my favorite. It's $56 set, where you have inside a blush, brush, bronze, highlighter, and look at this beautiful packaging. I just got this because I love packaging, but again, it's limited edition collection, and like lip glosses, it's only exclusive to NARS. And look how pretty this is, and big mirror. Again, you have the best blushes here. You have the best #1 in United States selling bronze, Laguna, and it's coming with mini brush, and this brush feels so good. Please watch this video, because at the end of this video I'm gonna have surprise. I'm gonna give giveaway. You must subscribe me my YouTube channel, you must follow me on Instagram, and comments below and put giveaway. Okay, let's start. My first item, it's NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. This is it for everyone foundation. It's a buildable foundation. This is such a nice foundation. Even I am a full coverage girl, but because it's buildable and I use a beauty blender, it's give me pretty nice coverage, and it's really feels light on my skin. I do love this foundation. Let me come to the camera a little bit close. And I forgot to mention, I use, before my foundation, I have all my skincare, but I don't want to talk about skincare. It's more about makeup. And remember, it's a channel real makeup. It's not your stage makeup, it's not your strip club makeup, it's a real life woman makeup. Should be something easy and quick. After my foundation, color medium 2 Santa Fe Sheer Glow, I'm gonna use a Radiance Cream concealer. It's lots of coverage, and it stays really good. It's a 5-star at NARS, and I put in just little here and right here. And my color usually it's vanilla. Really bright my eye area, hydrate my area. I have slightly left foundation and concealer on my beauty blender, and I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyelid because I have a dark here. I hate it. Now I'm gonna use transparent powder from MERCIER, and I like to turn this powder, just a little pump. And I want to apply this powder on the entire my face, very little. Just to set my makeup. And now I'm gonna use this beautiful face palette from NARS. Again, look at this packaging, it's so pretty. $59. It's exclusive, I believe, or at least limited edition for sure. Look at how pretty. We have here bronze, blushes, highlighter. I'm gonna use this for eyes, for face. And remember, at the end of this video, only one of you, if you live in United States, comment below and just put giveaway a nice comment, and you must follow me on Instagram. Will receive Orgasm blush. Yes, we also have this blush inside this palette. We have Laguna bronze here, and it's coming with a mini brush from NARS. Again, you need to hurry up. If you like this palette, product listed below. click in the link and purchase, because it's $59. If you pay separate, it's more than $40. Palette, love this. Okay, first again we're gonna use this brush, which one in a set, in this gorgeous set. And let's do contour first. Okay, so it's Laguna bronze. It's #1 in United States, I believe, selling bronze. I do like this bronze. Okay, from my ear to my lips, like halfway. It's okay if it's a little bit too much. I'm gonna use different brush and I will just blend. And now I'm just layering product on my skin. Personally, I need to tell you, I'm not crazy about Laura Mercier powder is a setting. Maybe it's a good powder, I knew for sure, for baking, but to set my makeup, I'm not sure if I like it. I actually do not like it. Okay, now I'm gonna use a brush, and this is actually a small powder brush from Chanel, but I like to use is my blush. And I'm gonna use these two blushes together, and I'm gonna apply above my bronze, and it's very pretty, very pretty. Give me nice beautiful glow. Now we have one more blush, and this is its matte color. I'm gonna apply slightly little bit more, and I'm gonna apply on top of this two shimmer blushes, because it is, when you put in just shimmer, sometimes it, and I have large pores, it's kind of even more even, will show you, but when you put matte on top, it's kind of bringing you less. Okay, I feel like I have already enough here. Blush, I have one more step. It's my powder brush, and I'm gonna just slightly a little bit put powder more and soft this blush. If you don't understand my English, please comments below. I will text you and explain to you personally. I know I have a very heavy accent. Now I have my beauty blender, and I'm gonna use a loose powder from Laura Mercier. Very little I apply on my sponge. Oh, it's pretty, actually not little, it's pretty good amount. And I'm gonna just put right here. I'm gonna little bit bake. I want a little bit more sharp and clean look today. Something different what I usually do. Also, I'm gonna use under my eye, because we're gonna put today eyeshadow, and if it's eyeshadow fall down, it will be easy to remove. Little baking today, and we're gonna leave this for 20 minutes. But now let's do the eyes. For my eyeshadow primer, I'm gonna use NARS Smudgeproof eyeshadow base, and it's a clear color. I look so funny. Halloween is here. After eyeshadow primer, I'm gonna use Laguna bronze with my brush from Chanel, and I love this brush. It's, I believe, 200. It's retractable brush. It's my favorite right now. Okay, Laguna bronze, and I'm gonna apply on my middle, like where is my middle area of my eye. It's okay, we're gonna blend. I always have paper towel next to me, and I like to clean my brush just like this. And I'm ready for blend. And now we're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow from NARS. It's named Salon Q. Thessalonique. It's a lighter color, and another it's like a taupey purple. And what I like it's magnetic. You can take off this and you can put different eyeshadow. We sell in separate at Nordstrom from NARS. Okay, now I'm gonna use this brush number 200, another, and we're gonna use lighter color, and I'm gonna apply it on entire my bottom eyelid. Same light color I'm gonna apply close to my eyebrow bone. And now I'm gonna use this beautiful taupey gray color for my crease. and pushing product in my circle area. I have a big brush and I'm just gonna blend a little bit this taupey color with Laguna bronze, which one I have already on my eye. Under my eye, I'm gonna use beautiful eyeliner from Saint Laurent, and it's color number 5. It's waterproof eyeliner. It's not completely like black. It's like a beautiful gray color. And now I'm gonna put this darker taupey gray eyeshadow on the bottom, and I'm just gonna smooth because I want eyeliner to look much more like soft and not intense. Now I'm gonna use my finger and I'm gonna apply on the center of my eye a little bit more intense this light color, which one we have in a palette. Same color I'm gonna apply on the corner to open my eyelid. And you know what, let's just save this eyeshadow, let's just get a little bit absorb color, and this is corner of my nose, and this is where I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And if you know, if you're watching my YouTube channel, I don't do much for my eyebrows. I do not like too much structure eyebrows. I don't like spend too much time on eyebrows, because I see this YouTuber, she's like, oh, my eyebrows done, yeah, like 30 seconds, but in real life she spent, I'm telling you guys, at least like 30 minutes for all these steps. I don't have this time, and I do not like to make in like eyebrows. And okay, after I fill my eyebrows, I use a little bit spoolie to comb my eyebrow. That's it. Okay, removing this old ghost look, because I wanna look a little bit better right now, right? But I do have this clean and little, I will not say it's too sharp, but it's just clean look of my bronze, of my, you will say, sculpting technique, right? Now I want my eyelashes to look a little bit full. I'm gonna lift my eye, and between my lashes I am using NARS black eyeliner. Now I'm gonna use Lancome, and you know, girls, it's my favorite product, Fix It. It's a basically 24-hour setting mist, and it's really final. And what I like about this, it will set my makeup and my face will not look powdery, but my makeup gonna stay all day long. And I wanna do this first before I apply in my liquid eyeliner, because you know I love liquid eyeliner, and you know, girls, I apply very easy eyeliner, nothing crazy. Remember, like when I do my makeup, I like look pretty, but I also like to look kissable, touchable. It's not like my husband don't like will know like where to touch me, because like I know some girls, don't touch me, I have my makeup done. No, he wanna kiss, he wanna hug you, he don't wanna kiss a black or navy lips, right? He don't want to like to see your eyebrows like right there. I see so many people like they do eyebrows, I'm serious, like all the way to here. No, we need to look pretty, young, kissable. For my liquid eyeliner, we're gonna use today Chanel, and it's not black, it's like a purpley color. I love this color, and let me show you again. It's so easy, just press. I feel my eye looks so beautiful, like, I mean, color, it's like sea blue. Ooh, and now we're gonna use NARS mascara. Oh, by the way, yes, I will send one of you this beautiful blush, Orgasm blush, but you know what, I have a few extra little samples like this from NARS mascara. and let's do like 3 more people. Comments below, follow me on Instagram, subscribe my YouTube channel, will receive this little sample for free. I will send you home and it's free shipping. Okay, I heard it's a really good mascara. You know what? I feel I wanna put fossil lashes. It's so hard for me to pronounce, sorry for my English. I rather say fake lashes. Yes, I feel we need lashes, and only me I can tell you. I bought them in dollar store, but they look so good. Let me know if you like my new haircut. And I have my little bit highlights right here. Okay, here I have my lash. Oops, I like my tweezers, and I'm gonna use MAC. I usually buy it at Nordstrom at MAC, this beautiful glue. And why I like it? Because it's black. Okay, I apply this. It's almost done. We need to wait like a minute. I really like my eye makeup. I'm just in love. Okay, and let's put this. Okay, I apply them kind of on the center first, then I'm going to corner. Ooh, how pretty! And now I'm just gonna a little bit press. Ooh, extra glam today. Okay, I have already on my lips this beautiful color from NARS, and it's a matte color. It's so pretty, and its name it's Do Me Baby. It's so pretty. But let's use this beautiful set. It is exclusive to Nordstrom. 3 full sizes lip glosses. Look how pretty in this beautiful clear bag. It's perfect for your travel. Also, can you imagine, it's $48, right? You have 3, and you can give it to anyone, your friends, for a present, because again, one it's cost probably like around $30, I guessing, but you know, NARS products, it's not cheapy because they have good quality and they look great on me and they look cool, will look good on you. And okay, I don't even know which one to use. Okay, well, you know what, let's do with this beautiful like brown bronzy look. Oh my god, I love texture. It's so like creamy, and it's not like too sheer. Again, let me check this. Yeah, oh, this is set with 3 lip glosses, $45. Girls, you must reach me. You must reach me, and I will send you home free shipping. Of course, I'm gonna put some nice samples for you. It's Nordstrom exclusive, and it's Orgasm, Laguna, and Broken Glass name for lip glosses. Again, let's put this one. I love this. This must be probably Laguna. Yes, of course. It's so pretty. My makeup goes with my beautiful shirt. I like it. Thank you again for watching my YouTube channel, for subscribing my YouTube channel. Again, one of you will receive this beautiful blush. I will send you home. It's free shipping. And 3 of you will receive a sample mascara from NARS. And of course, I will put something extra from me. I will send you home. It's free shipping. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please support your favorite Nordstrom beauty stylist. Oh, you know what? If you just like this video, please comments below, and I will see you in my next video.